Some of you have reached out with some questions. I would like to address them here. And if you have some more, feel free to reach out. The first question we have is, I already have a plant and I'm looking to expand my factory. Is it too late for me to get started? Actually, it's never too late to start. Should you have a greenfield trying to plan for a new asset or an extension of your operations like SATS did, for instance? Or should you be just willing to refurbish a line and transfer one line to another place? All of those cases may request the need for a 3DEXPERIENCE twin. So let's move on to the second question. How would this benefit to my business? So actually it's a good question. And you may leverage a 3DEXPERIENCE twin to either secure your top lines by helping you increasing your ability to introduce new products to the market, or to secure an investment on your bottom lines by making sure that the efficiency of this equipment is at the spec you are expecting it to be. By leveraging the outcome-based engagement model, you may have the ability also to secure the access to the result and to help you kickstart your transformation journey. And the third question is, how long does it take to build the twin of my factory? So in terms of duration, it may vary depending on projects to projects. We've just been recently exposed to a case where a client was asking us to move a line and to make sure that this new line would be operating as they were expecting it. And they were having something like a 6 weeks window. More generally speaking, if you were thinking of taking a wider scope, you could think of something like 3 months, where you could already have something which could be delivering some tangible outcomes. And the last question is, how can 3DEXPERIENCE Twin help me to manage my remote sites? So to answer that question, I'm going to leverage a video. And you will see on that screen that actually you can interact remotely in a 3D environment twin, because in that example, we have a line that is currently connected to the equipment and for which we've raised an issue. I'm going from this place to be able to assess the issue and take an action so that the production can restart. So we've now come to the end of this session, and I will be more than happy to explore how 3DEXPERIENCE Twin can help your manufacturing operation. Reach out to me on this email address and I will be more than happy to engage.